Assalamualaikum students, this is Ms. Sophia and today we will discuss grammar lesson preposition and its types. As we all know that we have 8 parts of speech and preposition is from one of them. Now let's look at that what is a preposition. A preposition is a word that is used to link noun or a pronoun with other words in the sentence. Link here means they provide relationship between noun and other words in any sentence and thus makes the sentence complete. And the other words may be noun, verb or adjective or an adjective. Example for this is the boy is sitting on the chair. Where the boy is sitting? On the chair. Here on is used to link chair, which is a noun, and sitting placement of a boy. If we don't use on, then the sentence will not be clear to us. Let's look, the boy is sitting the chair. Is it clear to you? No. So we are not cleared with the relation of a boy and a chair. By using on, we are confirmed that the boy is sitting on the chair, as on is a preposition here. Now let's turn to the types. First type, preposition of time. Preposition that describes when an event happened as defined as preposition of time. Examples are in, on, at, before and after. Here are some sentence examples. To make it clear, one of them I am explaining you. My vacations ends on Monday. When my vacations ends, it ends on Monday. On here is a linking word and a preposition. Now let's look at next one, preposition of place. The preposition that describes where anything is happen in context to other are defined as preposition of place. Examples: under, above, in, on, at. Here you all might get confused that in, on, at is also in the first type. Kindly note that here they are used in other contexts. Sentence example for this is the book is lying on the table. Now, where is the book lying? The book is lying on the table. Here on describes the link between book and a table and as a preposition. Preposition of direction is your next type. The preposition that describes where to go or where to put something is called preposition of direction. Examples are to, into, off, from, up, etc. Sentence example is we went to Islamabad last week. Here to describes in which direction we went. So here to is the linking word and a preposition. Now I hope you all understand the topic really well. Now you have to do this reinforcement exercises from your workbook and textbook. Thank you.